Yes, greetings. Jah Eye here representing UnityWorksMusic.com. Just wanted to give you a heads up. My new album, Black History, I've been promoting it for a minute. It's almost completely finished. It should be out within the next couple of weeks. So just reminding people to look out for it. It will be available at UnityWorksMusic.com, as well as all the music platforms, whether iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, whatever. It'll be on all the music platforms. So it will be readily available. And while this music is aimed partially at educating the young black youth who aren't getting some of this information in school, because I know when I was in school, I'm all the way from nursery school through college, I really only learned white version of history, and I don't think things are much better now. They're gonna teach you about slavery, which is kind of, you know, intentional. I mean, we need to know about that. I understand, but it's not the only thing in our history. We've had great people, great leaders, great inventors, great scientists, you name it. Anything that anybody else has done, we've done. Okay, maybe in some cases more. Okay, so so I'm saying that to say that even though this is aimed at educating the young youth and telling them about themselves so that they can feel proud, there might be some things that make them angry, but it's the truth. It's real history. So even though my main goal was to educate the youth and just the black people that don't know these things, it's not just aimed at black people. See, sometimes white people think they can't participate in certain things, like they don't understand why we have a Black History Month. Well, and they're like, well, what if we had a White History Month? Well, basically, you have a White History Year, because, like I said, that's all we're taught, and the move is on right now to eliminate anything that's dealing with black history, black culture, So they're trying to take it back to what it was when I was growing up. So things aren't much better. So anyway, I wanted to just, you know, I love the CD. Well, we don't have the CD yet. It's going to be available on iTunes, Spotify, all the major platforms, as well as UnityWorksMusic.com. So you can go where you're comfortable and you'll be able to find it. Um, Also, we have two more albums coming out shortly. We have one by dub poetess Sufia Giza called Echoes of Freedom. That will be out shortly as well. We don't have a set time on it yet, but you know, within a month, maybe a month and a half, it should be out, available on all the same platforms. And we did her first album, and if you like that one, you're gonna love this one. She deals with some deep topics, man, and just designed to make you think and like, wow, just strong sister, strong lyrics, you know. So that will be out soon as well. And the third album that we have coming out is by Lesterfari, Stolen Legacy. Sufia's album is called Echoes of Freedom, if I didn't mention that. But yeah, Lesterfari, his album is pretty much almost finished as well. That will be coming out within the next couple of months. Um, Stolen Legacy, yeah. Universal topics, Rasta topics all the way. Just conscious music, and he as well is dealing with some historical vibes, some spiritual vibes. I mean, the whole thing is spiritual because we have to understand spirituality isn't just going to church or meditating. It's like a lifestyle. You know, you have to always be looking inward, because that's where God dwells, and you have to just whatever you can to be in tune with the spirit. And it's a nonstop thing, you know. It's not like, oh, I got it now, so I'm a spiritual master. Nah, 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 nah. Even the so-called spiritual masters, they have to always be trying to reach that certain place, you know. And you don't really reach it while you're here, but you strive for that. That's how I feel. So anyway, we got Jah Eye, Black History. We got Sufia Giza, Echoes of Freedom. And we got Lesterfari, Stolen Legacy. And just a few words about Lesterfari. Many of you know him as this great guitar player he's backed up the elite bands in reggae. He's a permanent member of the all-time classic group Boom Shaka. And I know many of you, particularly in the States, you love Boom Shaka. Rest in peace, Trevi. So Lesterfari is now doing his own thing, you know. He has a band that he works with called Lesterfari and King's Music. So if you get a chance to see him, definitely see him. But yeah, so he's coming out with that, and we're really excited about it because it's just totally conscious, spiritual vibes. And once again, this music is directed at everyone. This is I history, but this is for everyone. You know, just the historical vibes, the spiritual vibes, just the, you know, hey, we need positive music in these times, you know, to counteract all the negative. So, yeah, so anyway, just giving you a heads up that this music is on the way shortly, so look out for it. And, yeah, it's a blessing, right? Blessed love.